Hello! My friends, I'm back with new tutorial video. In this session we are going to learn about changing position, rotation and scaling tool with bounce of expressions. These tools are very useful when you will animate some logo, infographics and elements for animation. Surely your time will not be wasted and you will feel this at the end of the video. So we are going to make this type of animation with different flowers. Okay, let's get started. Let's import the PNG file of flower. That's very simple, just drag and drop the file. Then duplicate flower file by pressing Ctrl+D. Go to scaling section and create some keyframes for animation. And then press Alt on scaling timer to add expression. Type the expression loopOut and in the bracket with inverted commas type pingpong. Then go to other files of flower and repeat the same process for animation and expression. After succeed in the scaling section, we may proc for rotation animation. We make 360 rotation animation. So everything working in a loop. But rotation animation, I feel it's not really smooth. So what we can do? Yeah, we need to make sure that anchor point must be in the middle for perfect rotation of an object. So let's do this. That's pretty cool. And yes, again, repeat the same process with exactly same expression for rotation. Okay, let's experience the same expression for positioning. Do the same process. And must remember O will be capital in the expression, otherwise it will not work. Now let's work on the background so we can add new shape layer. Ops, but it's not looking cool. So we may add gradient ramp and it will give you a nice and decent color contrast. But I feel the colors of flowers are so boring, so yes, we can add different colors in all flowers. So we may go to curve tool and choose the best color of your own choice. Cool, so animation done successfully and we can see the result. After completing the animation, we can set properties and render the animation and set all render properties. We can render the animation in RGB. If we want transparent animation, we may render this in RGB plus alpha. Okay, my friends, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and following my channel. We will learn more about After Effects from basic to advanced. Stay tuned with me. Take care, bye bye.